Cloudy days are so depressing. I'm so unmotivated during an overcast day. God, I wish the sun was out. It would have been such a better day.
Alright, so we're gonna do a little tour in Tawela and we're gonna explore an ordinary cloudy overcast day in Tawela and see how the weather suits this video. And right now it's raining. I hope I can take some footages of time lapses and of course in Tawela and show you this beautiful place.
If you happen to be a visual artist like me, then it's probably very common for you to frequently hear such phrases, which is okay, since everyone has a different opinion, but surely this isn't always true. When I come across spontaneous little adventures like these, I feel overjoyed and thrilled. All the daily stress and hassle is off my mind. You could say these adventures fill me up.
While I was on the way to Tawela, I found this beautiful place to get some time-lapse shots. As you can see, the foggy atmosphere is like amazing. There are houses over there and they are covered by the fog. So we're gonna go down and see if we can get something to drink. I think there is a place, it's a coffee shop, it's a cozy one. So I'm just gonna go check it out and see if they had something good. Coffee or sugar or something, which is, I don't know if it's bad.
For people here in Hawraman, this place may look like a very ordinary village in Kurdistan that's been neglected, but to a visitor like me, there is so much more meets the eye. It's an extravagant place with so many beautiful elements and patterns. For someone like me who lives in Slemani, it's unfortunate how I miss out on these atmosphere. Living in a big city really does have its cons, and one of the few things that we miss out on is enjoying this beautiful weather and view. There is nothing else I'd rather be doing than chasing a cloudy, overcast day and shooting random things that pique my interest. I think the best part about season changing is embracing a new transition, being able to renew yourself and starting something new. People tend to think gloomy days can be draining and depressing, but to me it's quite the opposite. It helps me to think more clearly, it excites me to explore what's around me, and motivates me to get creative. The perfect foggy atmosphere gives me a calm, artistic mood. It inspires me to appreciate the natural light, the mountain, peaks and ridges, the colors and the composition that excites me to take my perfect shot. Last but not least, I want you to go out there and try, make the effort, always look at the positive side.
So I can say that we are done about today's video. It's cold, I'm tired, and I have to eat. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.